In this video, let me teach you on how to fix Roblox This Experience is unavailable due to your account settings error. Let's get started. What you need to do is simple. First, if you're using Roblox Player, then close it, then open Roblox using your browser, then log into your account. Once you're logged into your account in Roblox, then go to the top right, click the clear icon, then select Settings in the pop-up. In the Settings window, go to Privacy Settings on the left side panel. Now check if the account's restriction is enabled, because when this is enabled, you can only access content that is appropriate for all audience. Simply disable the account restrictions and see if that works with you. Now move to Parental Controls on the left side panel. Under the Allowed Experience, select an age restriction that you want, either 13 plus or whatever you prefer. Now if it doesn't work with you, then try to log out your account in a browser and reboot your computer for a fresh start and see if the error is fixed. And that's it for today's video. This has been your go-to channel for gaming content, Gaming Family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you on the next videos.